On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good. Oh, I got the Johnny Bra. Oh, yeah, look at this, guys. I wake up looking like Johnny Bravo. Ask my wife. I got the curl. Oh, yeah. Good morning, Otter gang, gang. What's going on, everybody? Happy Thanksgiving. Let's hear everybody's turkey call. We actually practice this in Canada because we like hunting them. Sorry, turkeys. Anyways, happy Turkey Day. God bless you guys. Let's jump into the charts. Bitcoin's moving. We can make money. Let's jump in. Dead cat bounce is over. What's going on, everybody? New Earth Guardian, what's going on? I went to sleep, he's streaming. I wake up, he's streaming. Oh, yeah. Non-stop, man. I put in the hours, so we'll put it that way. You should see the amount of tickets I have. Duality C, what's going on, Bruno? Mina. I hate that the names are all messed up again. Castile, SMR. Marion, good morning. Philip. Ape, Breath. Ramas. Kathy, good to see you. Ryan. Stephen. Is it Stefan or is it Steven? I never know, man. Alexander G, God bless. Good morning. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Chantel, Mark Gustafson, Henderson, New Earth, good morning. However you say your name and your name. Hopefully you're all doing well. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So double top, rollover. I left you with that last night, didn't I? I said sweep of the highs, breakdown. Anyways, last night was fun. Little scalping session, quick $300. Coming down, sweeping the lows right now, trying to bounce. Breaking down, rolling over here, clear liquidity down. I like the sweep just now. Top of the hour. Top of the hour sweep. Sweep and go. Order block down here. Interesting. Could get a little bounce here. We'd like to see a structure break initially before we justify getting long here. Otherwise, we're looking for shorts. This would be a higher term time frame structure break as well. Suggesting rotation down. Be afraid of the Bart Simpson, guys. That's all I gotta warn you. We got a big Bart Simpson possibility here. A big Bart Simpson possibility. Big Bart energy. Sweeping bounce here. Volume coming in a little bit. Not bad. Not bad. Still waiting here. What's going on, everybody? How's your turkey day? You guys all got the... Do you eat the turkey on yesterday or do you eat the turkey today? That's the question. Do you eat the turkey on the Thanksgiving day or do you eat it on the day before? So tomorrow you guys will all have the itis. The complete tryptophan, tired, shouldn't be taking trades. You guys let me know. Good afternoon. TB Woods, Django, what's going on, man? How you doing? Senior, Ben, Isaac, good morning. Shanti, good morning to you. Goku, he's Goku, man. Watch out. Kamehameha. Omar, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Why Crypto? Dylan, V Monitor, good morning. God bless. This says lower. What is maximum pain? I think maximum pain is actually to rip it, man. To pump it up to like 100 and where's my pink box? Maximum pain would be to rip it. Yeah, 98. Just tickle that $100,000. A little pump it to 98. Bitcoin dominance starts dropping. Everybody says we're back. And then send it to 70,000. No. That's max pain. I don't think people would survive that one. I think if we come back for the lows, I think everybody's kind of anticipating that now. So we can take a look at the macro. Just in an interesting spot here. Yeah, lots of liquidity in here. Up only. Rounding top. Adam and Eve, not Adam and Steve. Okay. A little negative. That's what this suggests. There's your TA for the day. I don't suggest you short here, though. It's pretty overextended. Your short was in the break of this low retest. Yeah, continuation down. SFP. This is a potential bounce level here. I'd like to see structure first. I'd like to see some sort of structure before we justify taking any long. This is just rolling over, so it's not something you typically want to long into. Nice liquidity to come back and take after a bullish move up, so patience here. Why is the Nasdaq open? This obviously the SPY isn't open, but why is the Nasdaq-ian? I thought everything was closed today. They're messing with me or what? Man, I need a haircut. This thing looks like a toupee. It's like Johnny Bravo made love to an Italian. Here's another sweep. Dallas Griffin, happy Thanksgiving. Seats, good morning. Mab the Great, good afternoon. Good to see you, bro. Keith, Steve Hickey. My nightmare when I was 3 years old, turkeys chasing me in circles before I fell. Yikes. Come to Canada, we'll shoot them for you. Dusty, Dread Mining. Yeah, that'll be the tease, right? Thomas, Patillion, good morning. Good to see you. Felipe. We eat the turkey yesterday and eat the turkey today. That's a good strategy too, man. Morning, holiday trading. There is no holidays for AlexOCrypto. Everybody knows here. I don't stop. Nostradamus here, man. What's going on, Dave Digital? Good to see you, bro. God bless you, man. Happy Turkey Day. Jezza. What's going on, Rich? Bubba. Constantine, good morning. Dylan. You giving out the gifts now. God bless you, Dave. Gear, good morning, Dylan. Let's see how many lurkers there are in here. Musa, lurker. Kopi Bear, good morning. Melissa, yay. Kenslar, lurker. Pele, photography. He's not a lurker. Good morning to you. Lightman, lurker. Golden Child, awesome. Seabass, lurker. Mitch, lurker. B-Rad, crypto. What's going on, bro? Melissa got a member. A little bit of emojis. Let's see the gang in the chat, everybody. Bitcoin rolling over. Buy zone destroyed. Yeah, it's basically an SFP zone, which is fine. There's a time and a place for a reaction, and it wasn't there. Got a little block in here we can look at too. This guy here. Rolling on a river. What a tune, man. God bless you, Dave. I appreciate you, man. How's your Thanksgiving, bro? You breaking all your eating rules or what? Lucky Deal, what's going on? Steve Hickey, good morning. Paul Caruso, good morning. Alpha, Newbie Crypto, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Thank you for being here, guys. Rianne. Tony Soprano saying dump it. He's short. That's why, when Tony's saying one way, he's short. Protein everywhere, says Dave. Protein fiend. Let's go. That's cool, man. Lurking from the gym. Nice, get it. $89,000. That's what the pivot is. This is nasty. Good morning. Jeez, we'll do some top-down analysis, I guess. I'm surprised it's moving this much on a turkey day. Got some volatility on a turkey day. This is awesome, man. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out. Smashing like buttons. Joining Discords, all that good stuff. Armory Piper. My man, happy turkey day. I do sit-ups in the squat rack, Dave. Underneath people who are squatting. That's how I do it, bro. I do bicycles underneath the dudes squatting. That's my favorite exercise, man. I used to be buff, Dave. I think I've shown you. I used to be buff. I used to be a complete gym rat. Then I started traveling and never got back into it. I know, I'm a letdown. All right. Well, no trades right now. Showing you the trades taken, the trades. Happy Turkey Day, everybody. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. Just do a little top-down analysis where we're at, what we're looking for. Everything has slightly pushed back, okay, if we're looking generally at where we're at and what we're looking for. Sometimes my object tree does not want to load in the morning, which is weird. It happens every morning. Not my job. So, where are we at? Guys, remember, we have done this. This is what we've done. Okay, so let's not be too bullish. Let's be aware. Okay. Wow. This thing's dumping, man. Jeez, that was aggressive. Anybody short? Nasty. It's dumping. Trying to do top down, and it's just dumping on her head here. So a nice push up. Bart Simpson now coming into to today. No market open, but 3-day beautiful candle print yesterday, looking good. 2-day looking good. Daily pushing back as well. Okay, so some nice pushback here. Doesn't mean we're out of the woods yet. We're coming back, retesting this area in here. Possible rejection today. Obviously, it's rolling over right now. Rejection into this morning. So 12-hour here is trying to push up as well. This is my concern. If the VWAP rolls over here like this, it's going to hurt. Look at the last one, okay? Look at the last one. I just want to remind you that the trigger wave can hurt, okay? Just saying. Okay, so this is very reminiscent of this. Okay, here's your humble pie. Okay, no pumpkin pie, humble pie. Okay, it's coming back down. 8-hour cranking it up, looking good. 4-hour overextended, 3, 2, and 1, all overextended, all overbought. Okay. Which means retracement, right? Doesn't necessarily mean back down to zero. It means retracement into the liquidity down below here. Look for a structure break and continuation. It's not our job to really long this until we have structure. We're very overextended. This causes Bart Simpson patterns, liquidity, okay, liquidity and liquidity. Lots of liquidity. Let's not get in front of liquidity, okay? So, a nice push, SFP of the high, rotation back down, mitigation of the low. Okay, so this says that now we are looking for lower highs, okay, to come for these guys. Doesn't mean we can't take the long back up here. We are holding this low, but we have lost this low here. If this, then that. Okay, so prepared. But not looking too hot this morning, okay? Very ugly this morning, which is okay. I mean, coming into market open, you wake up after everyone's cooking and they dump the market on our heads. What's that noise from? I don't know what that noise came from. Anyways. So no trade right now. Still waiting. Bullish divergence on Solana. Oof. Trying to push out. Bitcoin trying to push out. Way below VWAP here. Trying to hold this order block. It doesn't look like it's going to do so well. Okay. Down with Bitcoin. Maybe a continuation short here. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Jim Cramer said the bottom is in. Oh, fuck. And it's over, guys. Shorts. Everybody's in shorts. Good job. Let's go. I mean, it was a bit early for me to jump into a short, but good job, everybody. Let's go. Army Piper, I'm going to fly down there for some turkey, bro. Shimmy says, okay. Oh, man. Paul Caruso. Definitely does, man. Definitely does. Special thought for the people of Hong Kong. Good job with the shorts, Momo. What's going on, Hedge? Yeah. Can you explain how to catch a short? You press sell. I think the orb is valid. I mean, I've tested the orb on every holiday and everything like that, so I love CME gaps in the gym, man. I'm all over that. You dirty, dirty rascal. Any strategies for scalping? Tons, man. Tons of strategies. Don't give me no weekly naked point of controls there, Dave. I can't. We're not going to go there, okay? It's too much time in Frankie Candle's Discord. You're naked in the gym. That's all you have to say. Good morning, Cypher. What's going on? 250 people watching me on the holidays. I mean, who wants to hang out with grandma in the fucking kitchen, man? When you can talk shit and take trades and make money. Someone's got to pay for the turkey. Good to see you, Wave Cypher. How you doing, bro? What's going on, guy? Good to see you. Happy Thanksgiving, man. Be careful, YouTube is banning. Yeah, I know. They already banned me, bro. They banned me in September. That's okay, man. They demonetized my channel. I mean, I don't blame them, man. I talk a lot of smack. It doesn't matter if you click this is meant for 18-year-olds plus, okay? But yeah, they demonetized me in, I think it was September. They gave it back to me though, because all they care about is ad revenue. Let's be honest. If people are still showing up, even though they demonetized you, they're like, okay, I guess we'll keep him because he's bringing us eyeballs, right? It's the system's so messed up, right? They don't really give a shit what you do as long as you bring eyeballs to the platform, right? And you keep eyeballs on the platform. That's what it's all about. It's all about money, and it's all a scam, right? That's why the world's so messed up, you know. Every single social media platform is an algorithm that wants you to sit here and watch a stupid video. I just hope to bring value and some giggles sometimes, you know, and try to be real. But if you bring in people on and they come and hang out, and then YouTube doesn't really care what you say, do they? Because then they can sell you shit, and they can make money, and it's a nasty business, man. They banned Andy for a week. They banned me for like a month and a half. Yeah, YouTube, you can get through the weeds and find some good stuff on it. Yeah, I agree. What's going on, Stacker? Good to see you. Beautiful day, Jezza. Army Piper. Good pushback here. Solana looks better. Solana does look better today. My God. My girl Solana, man, she's been paying me so well. She's been taking really good care of me, man. Hanging man, no engulfing here. Still says lower. Bitcoin retest back into here. Wick test. Still says lower. Nice rollover this morning. NASDAQ flat. ES flat. Okay. Very Bart Simpson-esque. Bitcoin pushing up. Yeah, these are strong candles, guys. Whenever you see a candle and it doesn't have much of a wick on the bottom or on the top, depending on the direction, you don't really want to F with that candle. That candle's going to slap you in the face. Big noodle slap, okay? So you got to be cautious when you see candles like that. You can see strength, 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 strength. Don't really want to fight this. 5-minute wick test. Retest of support. You got pig nipples on the lows. So whenever you see this on Market Cipher, Jason Casper calls it pig nipples, okay? And you see a whole bunch of pig nipples. Your job is to wait for the trigger wave. That's it. Okay? Your job is to wait for this thing to come back and go like this. That's it. You wait for this guy right here. That is your only job. And you take this trade. If you can catch it properly. It's like Pokemon, though. You got to be... Let me see if there's an example. We've been in a downtrend, so here's your pig nipples. Here's your trigger wave. He's short here. How did it play? Oh, baby. Oh, fuck. That's good, eh? Isn't that good? Look, rounding. Right? Look at that. Who doesn't want to short that shit? Did we all learn something? Tell me you all learned something. Money. No? That's money. Who doesn't want to enter right there? Come on. I can't teach you everything, okay? I'm just here talking shit, like I said. Nice pushback. Choppy at the bottom. Enticing buyers right now. No trade. Still waiting. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Thank you for being here. You can be my financial advisor, Piper, then. Good morning, Jay Violet, R.S. Miller, Southern Stacker. Don't be weird, guys. Say good morning, man. You're here hanging out. Just say good morning. You don't have to hit the like button today. I'm not even going to ask you. We got 200. How many people? Holy smokes. 280. Don't you guys have family to hang out with, man? I mean, we are the Otter family. Good morning, John. Chocolate. What's going on? Guten Morgen, Webson. Mr. Scott. Good morning, guys. Thank you for being here. Family's still sleeping, bro. You trying to catch the worm. See? You a worm catcher there, Fern. That can be taken rudely or that can be taken as a motivation. We don't have Thanksgiving. Well, you can have Thanksgiving with AlexOCrypto. Because I've already had mine in October. Normal day in the UK. Hip hip hooray. I don't know if the Brits, LJ, good morning. I don't know if the Brits celebrate any Thanksgiving. They're just, they're some, I mean, my wife's family's not that cold. There's just a certain edge to British people. I respect that. I'm British. My wife's British, so I get it. Testing this block here for a little slap down. Good morning, block party, Dylan. Not everyone is a turkey gobbler. Yes, they are, Tony. Look at that. V-shaped recovery. I told you Solana looked better. Standard deviation 1 test. Got downtrending momentum here coming in the way. What's up, little man? You alright? Good morning. My son's at the door. I'm going to go and say good morning. I'm going to fill up my coffee. Might as well. No trade right now. I'll be right back, everybody. Thank you for being here and hanging out. When he's at the door going, Dad, I'm gonna go and say good morning to him. I'll be right back.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Coffee. Turkey, coffee. Turkey and coffee doesn't really go together, does it? Good rejection. Now that we have a high, we can look for a break of it. Oh, man. Whole bunch of people. They remained. What's going on, Sulio? Good to see you, man. Doggy Dog. Felipe Colin. Noodle. Dylan. Good morning. Mark Dutch in the chat. Chantel. Good morning. Good to see you. How you doing? Holy shit is in my chat, man. He's long. He's saying holy shit. Thankful for the Otter Gang. Thankful for you, Melissa. Jay Violet. UK got voted second most miserable country. Only Uzbekistan is below you guys. That's good, man. I'm grateful for me. Good to see you, Magic Mike. God bless you, bro. The worst thing about living in the West is it's dry, man. You wake up and you got like the Sahara in your nostrils, man. Thank you for streaming today. In Portugal, it's a normal day. Hey, carai. Gotta love Portuguese, man. Portuguese chicken. Oh man, so good. And those little balls of potato balls. And then have some pastel de nata after. Peixe. They do good fish too. They do very good fish in Portugal. I did the Algarve. That was a nice trip, man. Love Portuguese. The Algarve, man. Chicken piri, yeah, man. Next level. Oh, chirp, crypto. AlexOCrypto. UK is allowed to celebrate anything anymore? No. Otherwise, they're considered white supremacists. The Dutch introduced it to Americans. That's interesting. Good morning, Max. Dylan, good morning. Bullish engulfing pushback here. Not bad. Not bad. A little bit of strength here. Bull divs here, Solana. Bullish engulfing Solana. 46 seconds. Trying to push back. Looking strong here. Considering a long here. Can we get follow through? Continuation up to VWAP. Breakout retest. Still waiting here. I like this in here. This is nice. Might take a stab here. Downtrending momentum break. Continuation, bullish engulfing, continuation trade. Yeah, looks not bad. Downtrend. Just looking for that retracement move back up into here, you know? If it wants to give it to us. Not yet, though. I'd like to see halfway down the candle for Solana bounce here. Wick test. Continuation trade. Might take a stab here. Still waiting. No mitigation of the high here. Suggests lower, but a little bit of exhaustion down below. 12-minute needs to push back. You got momentum on your side. Didn't come perfectly back. It retested this high here. Might need to come a little bit lower. Still waiting here. Bitcoin's showing strength though. Nah, still wait. I'm gonna wait. Thank you everybody for being on the live. 320 people here. You guys are cool, man. Considering along here, just you see volume pick up. It's enticing buyers like myself right now. So it's like, you gotta watch your sentiment. You don't want to necessarily buy green candles. However, this is pretty overextended to the downside. It's done a pretty good job grabbing this order block in here. Retested these highs. Looking for follow through. Nothing yet. Still no trade. Nasdaq's pushing a little bit. Surprised this is open. We got Balloon Dog in here, Bull Div here. Consolidation continuation. Yes, pushing. I like the V-shaped recovery. I just want to see follow through. Why is price stalled out so hard? Just chilling. It's just trapping traders right now, trapping longs. That's my opinion. What's going on, Randy? When do you fly out, Randy? Good to see you. Randy Hipper in the chat here. Looking for the retrace and the short it. I agree. That's exactly. I'm trying to long the retrace back in. Sunday, okay. Safe travels, of course. You'll be streaming still. I've flown that far before, so I mean I've circled the globe flying, so you'll be all right. You'll give $100 of BTC today? That's cool. You're streaming today. Happy Turkey Day. God bless you. I'll send them over to you then. If I don't think Piper's streaming today. I don't think many people are. So I'll send them to you today, Randy. God bless you. Hopefully you're having a wonderful morning. I'll send the stream over to you after we're done taking money from Bitcoin. You got some killer thumbnails, girl. I ain't got time for that. $15-minute tweezer. Well, I'm Biddy. I see you. Yeah, could do. Here's the pushback. Come on. Let's go. I'm long. Come on. You got to go. It's time to go. No? Don't be a namby-pamby. Come on, push. It's not going to push. I thought we were going to get going here. Fake out. They got me. Come on, Bitcoin. Don't be so gay, man. So gay. It's got to push here. I thought we were going to get going there. We'll see in the show. Need a new thumbnail? No, man. Just made blueberry pie. Let's go. Send me some. Surprised you were looking for a long versus down only. It's in context to where we're at. It's in context to where we're at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Extension, overextension. Needs retracement before continuation. So you're trying to grab this move as a scalper. Right. We got our first break of momentum in here. We've broken the low here. So we're looking for this to come up to here, to come down to here. Trapped shorts all the way this morning. Everybody's shorting into this. So you're just trying to grab these guys, possibly up to VWAP, and then take them down. That's the idea. Otherwise, we roll over, and that's fine. You get stopped out. No buyers stepping up here. Volume kind of dissipated here. Yeah, so you can see it's not the greatest. Push Bitcoin, you namby-pamby. Come on, man. The VIX is at 17, Dylan. I'm pretty sure. VIX 17, yeah. Checked it this morning, which is, it's not the greatest. Push Bitcoin. Weak sauce, man. What's going on with this price action now? We want you to follow through. All of a sudden it just slows down, eh? Kind of weird. Push and ambe pambe. I'm going to take it off at this order block if we go here. Really? It's so slow. Push. Stop loss to entry. Take off 3/4, 250 realized. See if it wants to come up here. Not liking the price action right now, a little bit slow. I would like to come back and take the liquidity at these highs, but I'm not too keen on the way this is moving, guys. Bitcoin's already slapping VWAP. Not yet. Still got some room to go. GG's in the chat, everybody. Taking the trades, showing you the trades. I just paid for turkey, guys. All right, I got you guys for turkey. Let's see if Solana wants to follow through here. I don't like Bitcoin's price action, so while I ask you something, talk like that to your mom, not to me. Let's all get along, please. Can you explain Elliott wave? I don't trade Elliott wave. I understand 5-move impulse and ABC correction. That's about as far as my Elliott wave knowledge goes, my friend. What is the VIX? The VIX is a volatility index of the S&P 500. So when the VIX is high, it means the price is very sporadic and choppy. When the VIX is low, it means it's very slow and scammy, with very impulsive moves. So something you monitor generally. Okay, so when you look here, you got the VIX, volatility S&P index. Okay, VIX. And when I come to the charts every morning, you just got to check where this is at, right? So for me, if you're underneath 17, you're slow as fuck. If you're fast as fuck, you're up here. And this just means price is going to move more volatile. Okay, so in here, it'll take its time. This is highlighter price action, I call it, and this is regular price action. So price action moving like this, or price action moving like this. In between, right? Like a highlighter, like it's very thick price action. Are we stopped out? Nope, not yet. See if it wants to keep going, guys. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Good trade so far. What's going on, niece? Eating some liquidity pie. Yeah, we told you we took Sol. We said I don't know. I can rewind it for you. Stopped out here. $250, not bad. Bro closed some of his longs. That's why I realized was negative 114. That was fees, man. That was the fees to open the trade. Look, you go over here. $140 to open the trade. Here's your fee. Right? I took out half of it up here to guarantee some profit, stop loss to entry. So it was negative because I hadn't realized any profits yet, man. I thought I was getting stopped out here, guys. Happy days. When the gods reward you with some more money, you always got to take it, guys. You always got to take it. Thank you, God, for another $80 or whatever. I mean, I thought we were going to get stopped out here. Therefore, when they give you money back, you let them pay you. Oh, it didn't take it all here. I'm not fast enough, guys. They heard me saying thank you for the money, and they're like, oh yeah? Watch this, Alex. Watch this, bro. We're going to come back and stop you out, loser. Stopped out. Happy days, man. Happy days. $245, guys. Showing you the trades, taking the trades. Good times, man. Choppy, man. 350 people here. Thank you for being here. Looking to take some more money out of the market. It's very hard to trade alts. I only trade Solana Bitcoin. $44x leverage. Leverage is a tool, man. Leverage defines your liquidation level, and then it's a tool. It's either to free up money to not keep so much on the exchange, or it's to trade multiple pairs, ETH, Solana, Litecoin, whatever you want, to free up capital to trade multiple with the same amount of risk management, 1% risk per trade. Okay? That's what leverage is for. It's to not keep all your money on the exchange, which is the main reason I use it. Or it's to trade multiple pairs, multiple trades with the same amount of risk management to free up capital. And it's your liquidation level. Okay? Your liquidation level is not your fucking stop loss, by the way. That's what leverage is for. Everybody uses leverage so that they can show me your P&L cards where you made 3 cents at 100x leverage. I don't really give a shit. Anyways, I won't go down that road today. It's Thanksgiving, guys. What is your win rate? Depending on the setup. I've back tested a whole bunch of different strategies and setups. Some are, my B plus setups are about 65 to 70%. And then I have a couple of A plus setups that hit around 80 to 85. But they don't come as frequent, let's put it that way. My risk management is where it's at. You will see my trades, and I will make $300, $400, $10, $20, $20, minus $80, minus $100. I will break even trade to protect my capital way more. I won't take a full $500, $1,000 loss. I do sometimes. Don't get me wrong. I do sometimes. Right? I can show you. Right? Right? But you'll see $80 loss. That's a break-even trade for me. Right? You saw the fees. $25. That's a break-even trade. But 200, 300, 200, 300, 200, 300, 500. There's a break-even. There's a break-even. Break-even. $400 loss. That's probably like, right? There's a $900 loss, right? That's a full loss for me. That's 1%, right, of my $100,000 trading account, right? But most of the time it's, it looks like this. Base hits, baby, all day. All day. Compounding my account. Slow and steady. And every now and then, you put your stop loss to entry here, and it goes to fucking Valhalla, and you make $4,000, $3,000, $8,000 on a trade. And that's when you share your P&L card. Right? Because every now and then, your trades, they hit the Valhallas, right? You hit the $1,800 trades, whatever you're into, man. Be the turtle, though, man. Be slow and steady, man. Every now and then you get a big spike, and that should be your big wins, small losses. Small wins, small losses. Always small losses, guys. If you're invalidated or you can see something that's making you unsure, cut the trade. Protect your capital at all times. It's about 6.5 inches, but it looks like a button on a fur coat when it's cold out. My poor wife. My son just dropped some big ass thing on her toe. She screamed. My God, my poor wife. My son's only 15 months old, so it's like he didn't mean to, but he dropped a big metal toy on my wife's foot just now, and she screamed. Sorry I had to run off, but holy anyways. Wife life. No, not at all. Logitech, not at all, man. It's account size. 1% of account size, always. Most of the time, it's less than 1%. Where is it? Why is everybody so curious about my risk management? Like, I mean, you risk 1% of your account or less. I get asked so many times that I have it saved. This is... Where did it go? There it is. I have it saved in my notes for you, my friend. 100K account, keeping 10K on the exchange, using 44x leverage, putting 100K per trade, $2,500 margin, risking 300 to make 900, 1% profit, 0.3% risk. So my trade setup typically looks like this. 1 to 3. Okay. Oh, it did not. Why didn't that work here? What? My template not working? Okay, we got to resave it here. So 1% risking 0.3 is typically my general trading setup. This is typically it. Oh, it's because it's on Solana. That's why. There you go. Okay. 0.3 risk, 1%, 300 to make 900, multiples off of that. It's a simple calculation. It's typically what I'm looking to take out of the market, and then it works off of that. But it's always 1% risk. Did you sell crypto wallets and earn? You can Kendall, you can go and suck a dick. Sorry. Maybe that was a bit too far. Get the scammers out of my chat, man. Oh, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Alex just told someone to suck it. Oh, man. It's Thanksgiving, bro. I know. Oops. It just came out of me, man. Just came out of me. If you want to unsubscribe, I totally understand. If you want to join the Discord, I totally understand too, man. Traders helping traders. That's where it's at, man. Happy Thanksgiving. All right, so we've gone sideways. We're rolling over sideways. Bullish divergence. Retest. No trade right now. Still waiting here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and hanging out. I do appreciate you guys. Coming into no market open here, we have Chop City. Okay, NASDAQ flat, Solana flat, Bitcoin rolling over. Exhaustion at the top. No real price action here. A little bit slow, guys, so might be an early day. Mike Tyson. What's going on, Wick 589? Good to see you. Back into night mode. Yeah, you guys should not. If you think this is bad, come to the Asia session on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. It gets bad. We were watching hockey last night. Made $350 watching hockey illegally and talking a whole bunch of smack. Marion's going to the mountains. Awesome. Mountains are amazing. I live in the mountains, so it should be fun. Rolling over here. Go Pens. I mean, you guys had a good little run there. Crosby and Carlson there doing all right, and then the age caught up to you. Now you suck again. When you start the Asia session, I typically do it at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. I never used to do it, but the Discord asked for it. Paul Coffey, you know I'm a Leafs fan, right? So I'm going to let you think about your comment about Go Habs. Okay, we'll let you sit there and think about that. Go Habs. I bleed blue, man. I'm a Leafs fan, diehard. Grew up downtown Toronto. No Habs fans. I even put up with Massey, okay? And he's a Habs fan. I even put his damn picture in the right here. You see? Right here. I even put him in his Montreal Canadiens jersey. Douche canoe. I still love him, but there's very few exceptions for Habs fans in my chat. If you didn't know, Maple Leafs, Montreal Canadiens, biggest rivalry. Just so you guys all know. Habs lick chode. Absolutely. Bah. Crosby sucks. Why? Because he scored the gold medal goal against you guys. Is that why, Harp? I'm sorry to. Did you see what that kid did before he was 22? MVP of the league, Stanley Cup champion, gold medal game-winning goal. Must suck to be Sidney Crosby, man. Must suck. Think of Leafs fans are those crazy religious freaks that think all other religions are wrong. That's it, man. Crosby hits 1,700 points. Crosby sucks. This is what a angry Flyers fan sounds like, everybody. That's what the Flyers haven't been good since the 90s, man. And even then they sucked. I played a lot of hockey, Ryan. I still play puck every now and then, man. I can skate like Jesus. I am little, so I will hip check your ankles. But yeah, I do like playing some puck, man. Good times. No market open today, guys. This is pretty painful. I'm happy we took some money out of the market. $250 is a good day today. I mean, this still looks like it can go up, but you ain't getting much here. Is anything pumping today? Virtual's pumping? Walrus. Superverse. Someone's buying Superverse. And Beam is going up with Superverse gaming tokens. What else do we got? That's about it. Turbo time. You want to go turbo time, everybody? Turbo time. Robinhood is up 10%. That was a nice move yesterday for Robinhood. I think they introduced, Robinhood introduced sports betting or something like that. Prediction markets, kind of like a poly market. I think that's why they pumped yesterday. Pretty cool. This is lower, guys. Liquidity. 89,000 today, probably. Come in here. What you're looking for is really, 12-minute, 15-minute structure change. You're waiting for this somewhere in here. Otherwise, you're just sitting here hoping for a bounce, but you have an established high right now. So still waiting for this. Rolling over right now. Solana holding on for dear life. 140. 90,000. Psychological level in here. I'd like something like in here. But you're not going to get the volume, in my opinion, to kind of justify. Like the Rangers. I mean, you guys have such good goaltending. I don't know how the Rangers are so bad, man. Such good goaltending. And then Shesterkin. You can never say that guy's name. Shit-stirring skin. Shit-stir-skin. He's phenomenal, though. Go wild. I mean, you guys paid big money for Kaprizov there. Kippy. Nobody wants to play for Minnesota. You got to pay a max deals, man, if you want to stay in the wild. No trade here. Breaking down. No market close green or bigger red today. Sideways all day long. Well, you look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ will tell you exactly what's going on here. Right? ES tell you exactly what's going on here. Right? Pretty flat. Right? You would look for this to Bart Simpson. We're doing it a little bit. We had a little push up from Asia last night. So you can see here generally. What do you look for when you have a big push up? Well, you look for retracement continuation, right? So naturally you can say that, hey, you could even do this. This is how simple it can be. You're looking for this to revisit in here. Okay. You're going to be looking at the highs. For a retest, you're going to be looking at these highs for your lower retest. Then you're going to look at liquidity. Retests in here. You can pull a fib now, so you can go swing low to swing high. Right? And that lines up pretty nicely with your retest or previous highs. Okay, so that would be your major retracement level. However, if you want a bullish continuation, you're probably looking at these lows at here at 89,700, right? So this would be your very aggressive bullish bias area here. This would be your retracement level in here. Retest to previous highs, okay? But we're going into a holiday, right? So everybody's watching American football. Happy days. If this, then that, right? So patience will prevail here, in my opinion. That's enough out of me today, guys. It's holidays. It's slow. I took some money out of the market. I'll update the Discord, give you guys some levels, all that good stuff, guys. God bless you. Have a wonderful, wonderful turkey day. Touch some grass, touch some ass, kiss your dog, whatever you're into. I appreciate you guys. God bless. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
My nigga come up better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get above the lane.